Hi, I'm Dr. Marcus and this is Simba, a little dog. Today I'll show you how to brush his teeth. Hey buddy. Alright, so first just lift the lip a little bit. And the idea is just to brush the white bit. No need to go for the gums or anything like that. Good boy, buddy. You can do the front as well. Good boy, buddy. Good boy. As you can see, most dogs do tolerate this fairly well. Sometimes it does take a little bit of time for them to get used to it, but boy. Good side. Yeah, okay, buddy. Beautiful. We're all done.